Here are 5 pre-calculus topics that you need to know if you want to succeed in Calc 1. Factoring. We got to be very familiar, especially with quadratics. So if you saw something like x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0, you got to go right away to x plus 2, x minus 5 is equal to 0. Graphs of functions. We should be familiar with things like sine x, cosine x, e to the x, log x, x squared, x to the third. So if you saw a question where it said you're looking at the function y is equal to 1 over x, we should know immediately what that graph looks like. Values of sine and cosine. You know your multiplication tables like the back of your hand, right? If I said what's 3 times 4, of course we know that's 12. You need to feel the same level of comfort with values of sine and cosine. So if I said what's cosine of pi over 6, you should be able to immediately say root 3 over 2. Number 2, properties of exponents. By that, I mean when I write x to the negative 1, we should know that's 1 over x. If you talk about the square root of x, that is x to the 1/2. And number 1 is function notation. When we write f of x, that's not f times x. That is some x input being plugged into some function f. So if I said f of x is x cubed minus 2x, and you want to know what's f of 3, that means you have 3 cubed minus 2 times 3, or 21. All right, those are the 5 pre-calculus topics that you should know. If you think I left any out, tell me in the comments. If you want me to talk any more about any of those, because they can be a little bit tricky, let me know too. Good luck studying for Calc 1. You guys are in for a treat. Calc 1 is amazing. You're going to have so much fun.